Solar professionals of Illinois creating more happy families. Bryan and Raylene Finks from Normal, Illinois replaced their roof and put solar panels for an out-of-pocket cost of $14,042. We only use the best roofing materials with the longest warranties of 30 years. For solar panels we use the best in the market, JA Solar, and for microinverters also the best, Enphase. Everything made in America and with a 25 years warranty. They interview 5 different companies and choose us for our expertise, quality of materials to be installed, and for our best prices proposition. We have 3 locations, Richton Park, Chicago, and Oswego. We are open 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Call us at 1-855-765-4255 equals 1-855-SOL4ALL, or email us at info@sol4all.com. Our website is sol4all.com.